unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
To troubleshoot app installation problems on Samsung Smart TV, start by ensuring your TV's software is up to date. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues. Next, restart your TV to refresh its operating system. If the issue persists, check your internet connection to ensure your TV has a stable network for downloading and updating apps. Additionally, clearing the TV's cache can solve installation glitches. Access the TV's settings, navigate to the Apps section, and find the option to clear cache. If problems continue, you might need to reset the Smart Hub. Remembering this will log you out of all installed apps.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.